Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at Android 15 QPR2 Beta 1 here on the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, and we're going to be taking a look at one of the specific new features in this build, and that is the new modes feature. So this is what replaces Do Not Disturb, and it's up here. As you can see on the top, I have it set to one of my quick toggles, and if we press this, we'll get my different modes that I have set up currently, and you can actually turn multiple on at the same time. So this one is not set up right now, but I do have the regular Do Not Disturb, which was already set up on Android 15, the previous versions. So you can turn these on and off individually or together. So if you have like a work focus and maybe you want to add some additional options to that, but just temporarily, you can add that in another mode and turn that on alongside your other mode. So this one I just set up right now just for making videos, and so it allows only repeat callers, no apps, and you can choose like what kind of alarms or other interruptions it allows. So just media sounds and alarms. If you want to have a mode that mutes like media sounds, like if you don't want like videos playing in the background or like stuff like that that autoplays maybe, you can have a mode just for that, and you can enable that mode all the time and still get your app notifications and stuff like that. And then you can have Do Not Disturb set up, and you can turn it on top of that and block apps and stuff like that without having to change the settings or do anything, change between different modes and stuff like that. So it's kind of cool that you can run these more than one at a time. You can do display settings, so like turn it on to grayscale, keep the screen dark, so it disables the always on display, dim the wallpaper, enable dark theme, and then these are the settings that we've had before for like don't turn on the screen, don't wait for notifications, hide apps, hide the app icon dots, and hide from pull down. You can hide apps from the status bar right here, but if you turn on the pull down shade one, it automatically hides the icons at the top and the pop-up notifications. You can't turn those off, so you can't have it hidden from the pull down shade but still have the app notifications on the top of the screen. So those are some of the modes right there. You can set schedules for them. It does have some suggested ones using bedtime using digital well-being, driving using Google Play services, so it'll detect when you're driving, and the flip dish, which I don't know how exactly that works. Oh, that's just the setting for that. So if you turn that on, you can flip it. You can flip your phone over, and it will enable that mode. And then when you flip your phone back over, it will disable it. So that's pretty cool. Let's see here. We want those apps. That's fine, and we don't need to hide stuff from the pull down shade because the phone's going to be flipped over. So let's see. And it should vibrate when I do this. Yep, it just vibrated to let me know it was turned on. And then we're probably not really going to be able to see it turn off because it's automatic. But if we go back in, that is set up. So that is pretty cool. To turn on Do Not Disturb, place your phone face down on a flat surface. You'll feel a subtle vibration, which we did, to let you know that it is turned on. So that is pretty cool right there. So if you just want to temporarily turn this on or turn off notifications, if you're doing something, you're in a meeting, you can put your phone upside down, face down, and it disables the notifications. So that is the flip dish mode and all the other ones there on Android QPR2 Beta 1. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Have a great day.